Electric trikes or tricycles are becoming more and more popular. With 3 wheels instead of 2, they offer better balance and stability. That's why they're a great option for seniors or anyone who wants a safer, steadier ride, and here are some of the best electric trikes we've found on Amazon. All the mentioned trikes links are in the description below. Number 25. Sixthreezero Easy Transit 750W Folding Trike. The Sixthreezero Easy Transit is designed for riders who want extra power without giving up convenience. Its 750W rear motor climbs hills confidently, while the 48V battery delivers around 64 km of range at speeds up to 25 km per hour. A folding frame makes transport and storage simple, and the step-through design improves accessibility. With hydraulic disc brakes and a 350-pound capacity, it's ready for everyday commuting. Number 24. Act Best Electric Trike. This electric trike is smooth, quiet, and powerful. It comes with a 1000 watts of peak motor that lets you ride up to 25 km per hour without much noise, thanks to its advanced sine wave controller. The 748 watt-hours battery can take you as far as 104 km. It has strong hydraulic disc brakes for safe and reliable stopping, and the rear differential helps keep things stable even on bumpy roads. You can choose how you want to ride, manual, pedal assist, or full electric. Number 23. Pedego Fat Tire Trike. This fat tire trike focuses on comfort, confidence, and long-distance riding. Powered by a 750W motor and a 52V battery, it can travel up to 120 km depending on riding conditions. Wide fat tires smooth out rough paths, while the step-through frame makes getting on and off effortless. Number 22. Addmotor Soletri 2M366X. The Addmotor Soletri is for riders who want maximum comfort without sacrificing performance. Its full suspension system, with both front and rear shocks, smooths out rough pavement, gravel roads, and uneven trails for a more comfortable ride. A powerful 750W rear hub motor, paired with a 48V 20Ah Samsung battery, delivers up to 135 km of assisted range and a top speed of 32 km per hour. Safety features include hydraulic disc brakes, integrated LED lights with turn signals, and a bright LCD display offering 7 pedal assist levels. Number 21. Siesta Electric Trike. This electric trike is all about comfort, control, and going the distance. It comes with a strong 750W rear motor that can peak up to 1400W, so it handles hills, rough roads, and sharp turns with ease thanks to its smart differential system. You'll have 5 riding modes, including reverse and full throttle, plus a reliable Shimano 6-speed gear system, giving you full control no matter how you ride. Need to store it? No problem. The foldable frame and handlebar stem make it easy to pack away or load into a vehicle. Safety features are built in, including a parking brake, turn signals, horn, bell, and ignition key, everything you need for a safer ride. The 48 volts of battery gives you up to 128 km per charge and powers up quickly, so you're not waiting around to get back on the road. Number 20. Narrak Electric Trike. This powerful electric trike delivers exceptional performance with a 750W motor that peaks at 1350W, paired with a smart differential system for smooth, stable turns. The battery offers up to 80 km of range in PAS mode, combining safety and long-distance capability. Riders can enjoy multiple modes, from pedal assist to full electric, with real-time data shown on a bright LCD display. It features fat tires, hydraulic brakes, and upgraded baskets for everyday convenience. With a foldable step-through frame, hydraulic parking brake, and durable aluminum build, it's ideal for errands, leisure, and all-terrain travel. Number 19. MoonCool Electric Trike. With large front and rear baskets, this trike combines comfort, safety, and storage, perfect for daily errands or weekend cruising. This foldable electric trike is built for safe, smooth, and convenient rides. It meets top safety standards and features a strong aluminum frame for durability. The 500W rear motor delivers solid power without slip-ups, while the rear differential ensures stable turns. The removable battery offers up to 70 km per charge and can be recharged on the go. Number 18. Viribus TG1. This is a great choice for anyone looking to get into electric trikes without spending a lot. Its 250W rear hub motor and 36V battery deliver up to 40 km of range, while the 25 km per hour top speed is ideal for neighborhood rides and daily errands. A large rear basket adds useful storage, and the 265-pound payload suits most riders. Affordable, simple, and dependable, it's an excellent beginner-friendly electric trike. Number 17. JPP Mobility Trike. This foldable 3-wheel trike is built for smooth, stable rides with powerful performance. It reaches speeds up to 50 km per hour and can travel around 60 km on a single charge for safety. It features balanced hydraulic disc brakes and dual riding modes. The advanced suspension system absorbs shocks easily, even on rough terrain. It folds in just 1 second and can be rolled like a suitcase, fitting into a car trunk with ease. Dual batteries extend range and reduce charging time. Number 16. MAXFOOT MF30 Electric Trike. It also has a special gear system that helps keep you safe while turning or riding on uneven ground. With Shimano 7-speed gears and a twist throttle, it handles hills easily, and bright front and rear lights make riding at night safer. The soft seat with a backrest gives you extra comfort, and the front and back baskets are perfect for carrying groceries. It has a strong 750W rear motor and can go up to 136 km using pedal assist. The low step-through frame makes it easy to get on and off, and the wide tires with front suspension help smooth out bumpy roads. Number 15. Grandtan 2. This electric trike is built for a smooth and comfortable ride. Its smart pedal assist system uses a torque sensor to match your pedaling instantly, so it feels natural and easy. The front suspension and padded seat with backrest add extra comfort, even on bumpy roads. For safety, it includes a parking brake, bright lights for better visibility, and a special differential system that helps with safer, smoother turns. The powerful 750W rear motor, which peaks at 1400W, handles hills and rough terrain with ease. Plus, the large UL-certified 960WH battery gives you up to 136 km of range, great for daily commutes or longer weekend trips. Number 14. MeetOne Folding Trikes. This powerful electric trike can hit speeds up to 32 km per hour with smooth and steady acceleration, thanks to its 1000W motor. It can go as far as 128 to 160 km on a single charge. Built tough with a water and dust-proof rating of IP65, it's ready for all kinds of weather. The easy-to-read LCD screen shows your speed, battery level, and range, so you always know what's going on. A quick-release system with a built-in latch keeps the trike safe and secure even on bumpy roads. It's strong too, with a max load of 204 kilograms, so you can ride with confidence and comfort. Number 13. Sixthreezero Rickshaw Electric Trike. It stands out because it's designed for 2 people instead of 1. A built-in rear passenger seat transforms ordinary rides into shared experiences with family or friends. Its 750W electric motor and 48V battery deliver around 64 km of range, while disc brakes provide confident stopping power. Supporting up to 350 pounds, it's an ideal electric trike for anyone who enjoys riding together instead of riding alone. Number 12. Buzz Cerana T. Its 350W electric motor and 36V battery provide up to 60 km of riding, making it well suited for daily commuting or neighborhood trips. The lightweight aluminum frame keeps handling easy, while large wheels improve ride quality on city streets. Disc brakes, upright handlebars, and a 300-pound capacity complete a practical package at an affordable price. Number 11. Arisetan Electric Trike. This advanced electric trike features a powerful 750W rear motor, delivering up to 35 km per hour and offering enhanced traction and stability for smooth rides. The removable battery powers up to 136 km per charge. The parking brake system adds security when stopped on slopes or uneven ground. With a rear speed differential, the wheels rotate independently, improving cornering and control. The upgraded torque sensor ensures faster, more responsive pedal assist, making every ride feel more natural. Number 10. Viribus Folding Electric Trike. The 16-inch folding electric trike is great for daily use. It easily fits into the back of a car or truck for rides. With a versatile dual-seat setup, the rear seat can carry up to 25 kilograms. It offers 3 riding modes: manual pedaling, throttle-powered, or pedal assist with 3 speed levels. A color display keeps track of speed, battery life, and distance. Powered by a 350W brushless motor and a 499WH battery, it delivers up to 34 kilometers of fun and reliable riding. Number 9. MeetOne Folding Electric Trike. This innovative electric trike blends sleek design with powerful performance and unmatched comfort. It features a 1000W rear motor delivering smooth 30 km per hour speeds and 80 Nm of torque, paired with a certified 48V15Ah battery offering up to 128 km of range. Its rear differential and all-terrain fat tires ensure stability on any road, while a semi-recumbent posture, adjustable saddle, and ergonomic pedals enhance comfort. A vivid LCD shows real-time stats, and intuitive controls make riding effortless. Backed by strong customer support, extended warranties, and easy setup, it's built for every kind of journey. Number 8. Jorvik Elite Folding Trike. Instead of relying on high speed, it prioritizes efficiency through a 250W motor and dual 36V batteries capable of delivering up to 80 km per charge. The lightweight aluminum frame folds neatly for transport, making it well suited to apartments, RV travel, or smaller garages. It's a smart choice for riders who value convenience above everything else. Number 7. Addmotor Electric Trike. The clear LCD screen has a night mode to help you track your speed and distance, even in the dark. With 36 smart sensors and mid-axis torque technology, the trike responds quickly to how hard you pedal, making your ride easier and saving energy by up to 30%. The trike offers a smooth and powerful ride with its 750W rear motor and a special differential system that makes turning easier and more stable. It even has a USB port so you can charge your phone while you ride. The large 960 Wh battery is removable and can take you up to 130 km on a single charge. Number 6. MoonCool TK1 Folding Electric Trike. It combines practicality with a space-saving folding design. Its 500W motor and 48V battery provide between 55 and 95 km of riding on a single charge, while the 350-pound payload handles passengers and cargo with ease. Front and rear baskets add extra utility, and hydraulic disc brakes improve stopping performance. For commuters or apartment dwellers, it's a capable electric trike that stores away easily. Number 5. Q-Life Electric Trike. This foldable electric trike is perfect for everyday convenience, featuring a step-through frame and large 20-inch tires to fit every rider. Powered by a 750W brushless motor, it can tackle hills and city streets with ease, reaching speeds up to 25 km per hour. You can ride your way using manual pedaling, pedal assist, or full electric mode. For added safety and control, it comes with disc brakes and a rear differential for better balance. The removable 468Wh battery provides up to 80 km per charge, making it great for commuting or weekend plans. With a built-in cargo rack and a foldable frame, it's easy to store and perfect for running errands. Number 4. Geemax Electric Trike. This foldable three-wheel electric bike is made for adventure. With 4-inch fat tires, you can cruise over sand or snow. Inside it there's a 500W motor that peaks at 750W, giving you the power to hit speeds up to 40 km per hour and tackle hills like a pro. Now, when it comes to battery life, it can give you up to 64 km using assist mode. You also get 3 ways to ride: go full manual, use pedal assist, or let the full electric mode do all the work. It's totally up to you. There's a digital display right in front that shows your speed, distance, battery level, and assist setting at a glance. Number 3. Soumye Electric Trike. This foldable 3-wheel electric ride offers both comfort and utility. Its efficient 350W motor provides smooth acceleration up to 25 km per hour, and the removable battery delivers up to 64 km per charge in assist mode. With 3 riding options: throttle, pedal assist, and manual, it adapts easily to your needs. The lightweight steel frame supports up to 117 kilograms. The safety features include powerful disc brakes, lights, and a differential system for smooth cornering. Front and rear baskets add convenience, while the large LCD screen keeps you informed. Number 2. Retrospec Boca Rev. The Retrospec Boca Rev is built for relaxed rides and everyday comfort. A 350W motor paired with a 36V battery provides roughly 45 km of range and a smooth 25 km per hour cruising speed. Its upright riding position, wide padded saddle, and responsive disc brakes make every trip enjoyable. With a rear cargo basket and 265-pound carrying capacity, it's equally useful for casual outings or running local errands around town. Number 1. Razor DXT Drift Trike. Unlike traditional electric trikes, the Razor DXT Drift Trike is made purely for fun. A high-torque motor powered by 312V batteries delivers up to an hour of riding with speeds reaching 23 km per hour. The steel frame and slick rear wheels are designed for controlled drifting rather than transportation. Supporting riders up to 198 pounds, it's an affordable way to enjoy fast-paced backyard and driveway adventures. And that's a wrap-up on this video. So, which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.